Hello guys, and welcome back to a new episode. Today I'm going to teach you how to create speed ramps in DaVinci Resolve. That is how I do it, and I hope it helps. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are going to start. So I'm going to bring in my video into a timeline. Okay, so it's just a video of a little girl running around her living room or a family living room with family members around her. Just a very simple video, and this is what we are going to use for today's tutorial. Okay, so first of all, what I'll do here is I'm going to trim out some part of this video because I think it wouldn't be appropriate for what we are about to do. So first of all, when you start the video, you can see the beginning of the video from this point that she's running from the dining table side to the actual living space. I don't think that particular part is important. All we need is she running in the living space itself. So I'm going to trim out the front part, and when we get to the end part too, from this part going, I don't think it's quite necessary for this video, so we are going to trim that part also. Right about here. Yeah, I think that is fine. Let's see. I think that is fine. So what we are trying to do here today is we are trying to speed up the front part of this video to maybe this portion, then we slow it down all this throughout this portion, then speed it up from the side again. So this is what we are trying to do today. So speed it up the beginning part to this point, slow this entire point, then probably I think speeding it up from here also would be fine. Then speeding up the end part too. So I think if we end the video here, that should be fine, so that we can just speed up this. No, let me add a little bit. Yeah, so we can speed up this entire part. Yeah, okay, so this is how to go about this. So first of all, we are going to right click our video, then we are going to select the read time control. Yeah, as you can see, there are some changes happening to our video. So yeah, so we are going to move to the portion where we want our video to start slowing down. As I said earlier on, we're going to speed up the front part of the video. So I think right from here would be a very good place to see the video start slowing down. So I'm going to click on this arrow close to the 100%, and I'm going to click on add speed point. So I do that, and I'm going to move through to where I want to end the slow motion. I think if I end the slow motion around here, probably here, it should be fine. So I'm going to click on the arrow again and select add speed point. Okay, so now you can see the video has kind of been divided into three forms. We have one side, the second side, and the third side. So this is how we are going to go about speeding up and slowing down the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this arrow again at the beginning, And when you come here, you can see there's an option for change speed. So I'm going to select it. Since we want to speed it up a little bit, I think 150 would be fine. So 150, and we can also make the end part also 150. So let's see if we can try and play this. Okay, so I'm going to select this portion, which is the end part also, and I'm going to go for a speed of 50%. Yeah, 50%. Now we have a video that is playing, but as you can see, the video is not that smooth. The transition between the fast and the slow is it's not that smooth. No, it's not that smooth. So this is what we can do to change that. We are going to right click this video and we are going to select retime curve. So I select that, and we can see a whole lot of mess down here. Don't be scared, it's very simple, don't be scared. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to select this point over here, and we are going to select this icon. Now you can see some curves happening there. So what we are going to do is we are going to smoothen out the curve, and that is what is going to give us that gradual transition from the sped up video to the slow motion. So I'm going to select the end point over here. You can select this part or this part. So when I hover my mouse over this point, you can see the arrow. When the arrow comes, you can click on it and drag it. So now you can see that the ramp over there has been smoothened out. So that means we are going to get a very smooth transition. So I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. Select the point over here and select the icon as well, and when this comes, we are going to drag it. So I think this is fine. So now let's play the video and let's see how it looks. So with this second tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can apply this particular effect to maybe 2 or more videos, and how you can use it in a real world scenario. So let's see how the outcome came out. Okay, so this is what I did. I first of all, with the first video, what I did is I maintained the speed at the beginning at 100, and I made my mark over here so that I can speed up the end part of the video. So what I did is I made the end part of the video, I increased the speed to 400, and I came to the second video, that is the video in the middle. So I made a mark at the front and at the end, just like we did in the first video, and I increased the speed of the front part to 200, and I reduced the speed of the middle part to 50, and I increased the speed of the end to 200, so giving us a fast motion to a slow to another fast motion. So what you need to keep in mind when you are creating this effect is when you add 2 clips to it, make sure that the speed, if the speed at the end of the first one is fast, then it means the speed of the second one has to be also fast. Then it then moves to a slower speed, then back to a fast. Then the last clip, as you can see over here, I made the speed at the beginning also 400 and maintain the 100 speed at the end. So this is how I went about with this effect, and that's the result. Let's look at the results again, and this is the result I got out of it.
So guys, that is it. That is how you could use speed ramps to spice up your videos and how to create them in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Let's go.